Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 8 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Brooklyn, Oregon, 8 miles west of Manchester, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Manchester around 7:30 p.m. Chelsea around 7:40 p.m. Dexter around 7:45 p.m. Ann Arbor around 7:50 p.m. Dixboro around 7:55 p.m. Salem and Whitmore Lake around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hudson Mills, Linden Township, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Delhi Mills, Pleasant Lake, and Martin Hills. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Washtenaw, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs.
Okay, guys, I got 2 tornado warnings. One is for Lenawee, and one is for Washtenaw, and I'm fearing that I'm next. I'm kind of scared right now that I'm next because I look on that radar and I'm thinking that it's gonna push over and it's gonna hit Detroit. That's what I'm fearing. Never been in path of a real tornado warning before. Alright, guys, so let's see what happens in the next few moments.